If you're trying to start a faceless YouTube channel and you don't want to spend money before you even make your first dollar, this might be the only video you need. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 6 free tools that cover every single part of your content workflow. From research, scripting, video editing, to voiceover, stock footage, and analytics. And the best part? These tools are free, and they are mobile friendly. And I'm not just going to list them and bounce. I'll show you exactly how to use each one, how to prompt them correctly, and give you real examples so you can follow along right now. So, let's get into it. The first tool is Claude AI. And if you're not using this for your channel, you are leaving so much time on the table. Here's what you use it for as a faceless creator. First, research. You give Claude a topic, and it breaks it down for you instantly. No more spending 2 hours on Google trying to piece together information. You ask Claude, it delivers. Second, scriptwriting. Claude doesn't write robotic, stiff content. When you prompt it correctly, it writes in a voice that actually sounds human. Like someone talking to you, not reading a textbook at you. Now, how do you use it as a beginner? Go to Claude AI or download the app on your phone. It's free. Think of it like a writer that never gets tired, but only if you know how to use it, because most beginners do this. Write me a YouTube script about making money online, and then they complain the result is trash. Of course it is. That prompt is lazy. Here's what actually works. Write me a punchy conversational YouTube script for a faceless channel. The topic is 5 ways beginners can make money online with no experience. Write it like one person talking to a friend. Short sentences, no fluff, keep it under 800 words. Start with a hook that calls out beginners directly. See the difference? You told Claude the format, the tone, the audience, the word count, and how to open. Now it has everything it needs to deliver something you can actually use. For example, let's say your niche is personal finance. You want to make a video called Why You're Still Broke at 25. Your Claude prompt would be, write a YouTube script for a faceless channel on the topic Why You're Still Broke at 25. Target audience is young adults aged 20 to 28. Tone should be honest, direct, and a little tough love, not mean but real. Short, punchy sentences. Hook them in the first 15 seconds, under 700 words. Claude will come back with a full script you can record or feed into your voiceover tool in minutes. That's the power of prompting it right. Next up is VidIQ, and the reason this made the list is simple. It's free, and it doesn't slap a watermark on your finished video. If you've ever used CapCut or InShot on the free plan, you know the pain. You edit your whole video, export it, and there's a logo burned right into your content. That kills your credibility immediately, especially if you're trying to monetize. VidIQ solves that. You can trim and cut clips, add text and captions, layer music, adjust speed, and put your video together from start to finish, all on your phone. Here's how to use it as a beginner. Download VidIQ from your App Store or Play. Open it, start a new project, and import your clips. Arrange them in order on the timeline. Add your voiceover file, sync it to the visuals, add captions if you want, then export. Don't let a clip sit on screen for more than 4 to 5 seconds without something changing. Movement holds attention. Now, this one is exciting. Qwen AI is a free AI video generator, and it works on mobile. For faceless creators, this is huge because it means you don't need to film a single second of footage yourself. You type a description of what you want to see. Qwen generates it. You download it. Here's how to access it. Go to the Qwen platform or download the app. The free tier gives you enough generations to build real content consistently. Here's how you actually prompt a video generator. You want to include 4 things every single time. 1. Subject. What or who is in the scene. 2. Setting, where this is happening. 3. Mood or lighting, what it feels like visually. 4. Camera styles, how it's being shot. So instead of typing something like a person walking in a city, you write a young professional walking through a busy downtown street at golden hour. Warm cinematic lighting. Slow motion. Shot from a low angle looking up slightly. That gives the AI something to work with. You'll get a completely different and way better result. Real example for a finance channel. Video topic. Why most people never build wealth. Scene you need. Someone staring at bills on a table looking stressed. Your prompt should be, a person sitting at a kitchen table late at night, surrounded by bills and documents. Dim overhead lighting. Their head is in their hands. Mood is heavy and exhausted. Cinematic close-up shot. That's a compelling visual that matches your script, and you generated it for free in under a minute. Now let's talk about voice. VoiceMaker gives you a professional AI voice for your videos completely free. This tool converts your script into a spoken voiceover that sounds natural enough to hold attention. And for a faceless channel, your voice is everything. It's what keeps people watching. Here's how to use it. Go to VoiceMaker on browser. Paste your script into the text box. Choose a voice. Hit convert, download the audio file. That audio goes straight into VidIQ and gets layered under your visuals. Now, if you want it to sound good, don't rush this part. Most beginners paste a wall of text and hit convert. The result sounds rushed or robotic. Here's what you do instead. Break your script into short paragraphs. Add punctuation intentionally. Commas create pauses. Periods create longer breaks. If you want a dramatic pause, add 3 dots like this. The AI will breathe there. Also, always listen back before you use it. Catch any words it mispronounces or rushes. Fix just that section. Don't redo everything for one sentence. And one more thing. Pick a voice that matches your niche. A calm, deep voice works for finance or motivation. A faster, brighter voice works for tech or lifestyle. The voice is part of your brand. Every Faceless channel needs B-roll. That's the background footage playing while your voiceover runs. And Pexels is where you get it. Free HD, no watermark, no attribution needed. It's a legit platform used by professional creators worldwide. Here's how to use it. Go to pexels.com, search for what your script needs, and download. But here's the trick. Don't search the literal topic. Search the emotion. If your script is about financial stress, don't search money stress. Search person worried or bills on table. Think about what the viewer should feel, then search for that feeling. And here's a workflow tip. Use Qwen for your main story scenes, the ones that need to match your script exactly. Use Pexels for filler B-roll, clips that just keep the screen moving. Together, they give you a complete visual library for free. And this one is different because it doesn't help you make the video, it helps you figure out what video to make. VidIQ is a YouTube analytics and research tool. The free plan is powerful and it connects directly to your YouTube account. Here's what it does. It shows you what's trending in your niche. It gives you keyword scores, it analyzes your channel, and it suggests daily video ideas. So you're not guessing anymore, you're working with data. Here's how to use it on mobile. Install the VidIQ app on your phone. Connect it to your YouTube account. Now when you're searching, search for volume, competition, and whether a topic is worth targeting. If you want your next viral idea, go to keyword research. Type in your niche. You're looking for decent search volume and low to medium competition. For example, you search how to make money online. VidIQ shows make money online ideas 2026, high search volume, medium competition. That's a video worth making. You take that idea, send it to Claude, generate visuals with Qwen, grab B-roll from Pexels, create a voiceover with VoiceMaker, edit in VidIQ, and publish. So yeah, that's it. 6 free tools that cover your entire content creation process from idea to upload. Claude for research and scripting, VidIQ for clean editing, Qwen for AI video generation, VoiceMaker for your voice, Pexels for visuals, and VidIQ to make sure people actually find your content. Now, the only thing standing between you and your first video is actually using them. And if this actually helped you, hit like and subscribe. More videos like this are on the way. I'll see you in the next one.